As the investment market evolves, Mintos, a multi-asset investment platform based in Europe, is adapting to stay competitive. Originally founded as a loan investment platform, Mintos has become a European market leader. Recognizing the need to diversify its offerings, Mintos became a multi-asset platform in 2023, launching fractional bonds and ETFs. This expansion gives retail investors more options to diversify their portfolios on a single platform. Mintos recognizes that traditional investments, such as corporate bonds, were previously out of reach for many retail investors due to high capital requirements. To solve this problem, Mintos now makes it possible to invest in fractional bonds and ETFs from as little as €50. This low barrier to entry makes investment accessible to a much wider range of investors. After experiencing a decline in investor satisfaction due to repayment delays and bad debts caused by global events, Mintos took a number of initiatives in 2023. These included a revised process for managing late payments from lending companies and enhanced communication efforts with investors. These measures were aimed at regaining investor confidence. To drive growth, Mintos has expanded its services across the EU as part of the MiFID II regulatory process. This geographical expansion will enable Mintos to reach a broader investor base. Mintos has consistently invested in its IT systems, with a total investment of €2.009 million in 2023, up from €1.717 million in 2022. These investments are aimed at improving the user experience, extending product offerings and supporting the company's overall growth.